Okay, let's go. Yeah. Sorry, what was the what? The, I have no idea. Okay, I'm gonna do this and not talk about that anymore. So we have to prove this identity en ek het vir julle gister gesê en ek weet nie hoe baie van julle na my geluister het nie om te gaan kyk deur die voorbeelde wat in die boeke is. Because this way that it's asked is a very popular way to ask it. You'll see similarities between the worked examples on the previous page and all of the ones that you had to do for homework. Okay, so the only way that you can do it is by starting on the left hand side. And remember I told you guys, if you see something that you can do that. So that's sin 2x. You can do that. So do that. Okay? And then also, those of you who were able to solve it, you would actually have to go and do this as well. Hmm? Dis maklik as jy genoeg van hulle voor die tyd geoefen het, want jy gaan sien dis nogal soos 'n consistent ding wat jy gereeld kry. Okay. I think like 2 big tests, and then your project is counting this term as well. Okay, goed. En daai ding daarbo is 'n 3 term. If it confuses you the way it is there, put the 2 sin x cos x in the middle. You are allowed to do that. Okay? Dan lyk hy soos 'n 3 term. But the fact is, why is this thing not working? Is that? And then one of these cancel out with one of those, which is the same as the right hand side. Dit wat oorbly is dan gelyk aan die regterkant. That thing, those 3 terms is a trinomial. So I factorized it into those 2 factors. 1, 2, 3 of 4. Jo. Dis altyd gevaarlik as jy iets heeltemal anders doen. Iets klein bietjie anders is een saak, maar iets heeltemal anders. Ek sal nou kom kyk. I forgot to draw your names out of a hat. Nice. It's going to happen though. Okay, good. So, if you look at that one, what can we do? We can definitely do the tan thing. No? Okay, so I would do that. No, I promise you that's correct. No, ma'am. It is correct. Come on. Okay, so part of why that is a good thing is now you already have 1 mark, even if you were not able to do anything else, at least you have 1 mark. The other reason why this is good is, remember, we have a cos double angle there. En as jy 'n cos dubbelhoek het, is daar 3 verskillende opsies van uitbreidings wat jy kon gebruik, né? Maar wat jy nou kan doen is jy moet sien, jy wil in die teller 'n sin hê en jy wil in die noemer 'n cos hê. So at the top you want to end up with sine, and at the bottom you want to end up with cos, and that will help you to actually make your decision. So on the left hand side, I'm going to say it's sine x plus 2 sine x cos x. I don't know why this board isn't lekker. No. Okay. I'm going to go back to that top part now. Ek sal nou vir julle wys hoekom. What's happening here? Okay, stem julle saam. Okay, which means that if I'm looking at that bottom part, I'm gonna go and try and get something similar to that. Okay, so let's first do 1 plus, kom nou. Which one did you guys use? Did anyone else use the other one? Jy kon die cos kwadraat minus sin kwadraat 1 ook gebruik het. And then, did you guys convert the 1 as well? Okay. Het ek die ding reg afgeskryf? Ja, voordat ons verder gaan. Okay, so as it is there, the 1 and the 1 will cancel out already. Do you guys agree? And then I can substitute, I can factorize out the cos. And I'm left with that. And these two cancel out one another. And then you have left hand side equal to right hand side. Kom maar kyk eens hoe jy aan die heeltemal anders.
Wait, man.
Yeah. What's wrong?
I want to ask on that top one. What did ma'am do with the 1 plus cos A? That one.
This one.
Ma'am, no, they by 1.3 they by the denominators.
Yeah.
What did
So
ma'am do with that one?
this one and that one cancels out one another. Because it's positive minus. We good? We good? Okay. So we didn't even touch this one. Het ons probeer? Okay. Good. Once again, I would go right hand side first. Okay, because you know that's a mark that you can get. So, right hand side is sine x over cos x, not the other way around. Okay. So, wanneer ek nou gaan kyk na daai cos 2x, which one of my three formulas am I going to use? And why? Hoekom is sin ene? Because it's at the top and I see that on the right hand side I need to get sine at the top. Okay, verstaan julle hoekom dit belangrik is om nie net die formules te ken nie, jy moet actually weet waarom wat se een te gebruik, né? Okay, once again, the 1 and the 1 will cancel out one another. So at the top, I'm left with 2 sine squared x, and at the bottom, I've got that. Yo, ek gaan nou kyk of 'n ander battery sal help. Okay, so the 2 and the 2 cancel out, and then one of the signs cancel out one of the signs, and I'm left with sine x over cos x, yes? There's more an identity that says this can expand to that. So it's 1 minus 1 falls away. So then I'm left with 2 sine squared x at the top. Good?